You gotta get it out of the box. So you gotta get it all nice and open like that. We're just gonna set this over here for now. This looks like it could be close to the bottom. Set that one there. And then this, I think, may be the bottom. They're gonna go in with the angle up, just like that. Yep, that's the way we're gonna do it. Just like that, angle up, flat side on the bottom. You gotta give them a little pop to get them in. Just like that, you see how I'm doing it? That's the way you do it, right, like that. Bam, now, you can take this, flip her over, cha-ching. All right, so here we are. And this is our bottom one. Got this stuff around it. Take that off. And then this you gotta kind of push out. Just smush it out. And it's gonna fall down. They're just gonna kind of fall there. Then we gotta get this piece here. And we're gonna put this one right in there. But we gotta find our plug. Because there's these plugs on here that we gotta plug in. So this one, I think might be the top. Here's the bottom one here. So we gotta plug this in. Yeah, here it is. This is the one that we gotta plug it into. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here because it'll make it easier for me to plug it in. Here's my plug right here. You just gotta push it in there like that. So we got that on there. So let's take a look and see how we're looking so far. Yeah, that's good. All right, then our last one is this one here. We got our plug here. And so we're gonna go, here's our other one right here. So we just gotta get it in like that. Right like that. So now I just gotta fluff it out. So I'm just kind of opening it out. And so I gotta go through the whole thing, just working these, getting them spread out, getting them straight. Woo!
And they all work.
Looks good.
Oh, it's such a pretty trick.
Getting there. It's Christmas time in Delray. Still a couple spots that I've got to get a little bit fixed. You get it all bunched up like that, you want to get it straight and try to fill the area so there's no big holes. Like that's kind of a big hole there. I want to bring these down maybe a little bit. Kind of fill that area. Yeah. Still got to do a little bit more on this and it should be done.